Hello. How will you feel if by the end of today you are not able to generate passive income, you are not able to generate money into your account? I would think that making money online is very necessary for everyone. So, if you are at home, you are a graduate, you are a student, you should be thinking of how to generate passive income through the internet. Your degrees alone are not enough for you to sustain yourself, your family, and your future. So, in order for you to have financial freedom, you need to have several income streams. And today I'm going to be showing you one of my income stream that I've been using for the past 2 weeks now, and I've been seeing it. I've been receiving a good benefits from it. Although this is a crypto cloud mining company that demands investment. You need to invest a minimum of 60 or $100 for you to be able to generate something reasonable. Although what you invest determines the profit you make. This is a legitimate cloud mining company that has been for a period of time, and a lot of people have been using it without complaint. They pay you instantly on their token. I have talked about this video for a period of time now, and in case you are new to my video on my Instagram page or YouTube channel, I think you should refer back to my previous videos where I explain about this cloud mining company. Now, if you are also the first time of watching my video or visiting my page for the first time on Instagram, on YouTube, please don't forget to click on the follow button, like the video, subscribe, and share this video so we can reach as much people as we can in order for us to be able to help each other to grow as we approach a very critical time of our lives, because the virus has taken a lot of companies and businesses through the internet. Now, physical jobs will be reduced and more of internet jobs will be. So I'm giving everyone an opportunity to learn on to depend and also use cryptocurrency on their daily activities, because this is the only way you can make passive income. Now let's go straight to the point. This is a company that requires you to register when you are referred. Without a referrer, you cannot register through this company. Like what I said, my referral link, I will be placing it in my bio on Instagram. You can click on the bio on Instagram and register through my reference link and also invest. Now, what I'm going to do today is I invested on the Litecoin mining pool. That was 2 weeks ago. Yes, you can see from the video here that I listed approximately $53 that I invested in it, and from the day I invested it to this very day, you can see that the mining token has increased. Recently, before I registered, it was $1 per token, but today, within the range of 2 weeks, it has increased to about $3.97. You can see how good it is. And if you invest on any mining pool, you'll be paid in their mining token that you can possibly leave on your account, on your wallet. When you create this when you create this account, you have a micro wallet given to you. Here is my micro wallet, and the amount I have already is now $5.75. You can see from this my account that I already have a profit, and the money, the Litecoin that I deposited for this account, I can withdraw at any time. Okay, I can withdraw at any period of time. I deposited 0.91383599 Litecoin. So it is very profitable, and you can see what I have on daily. I have 0.26 cent on daily, my daily reward. That is going to be that. And what again should I explain here? You can see from the chart here that our entry mining price increased by 0.0040. So you can see that the coin they pay you in increases on daily basis. It's all shown there. So if I click sell token, you can see that I can easily transfer my mining token, which is the money they paid you for mining, for depositing. You can change it to Bitcoin. I can as well change it to any cryptocurrency that I deem fit. I can place it on Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatever it is. You can see it here. I have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, and also you can deposit or invest using Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. No, Ethereum is the most easiest pool for mining cryptocurrency. That is why I choose for as a beginner to mine Litecoin. But if you have Bitcoin, it is also a very good way. So how can you invest? I already talked about it. Look at it from this other point of view. You can see that at the left hand side we have the invest button, the package button, the affiliate link, also they pay you for referring people. And this site you can't just register without a referral. You can't just register on your own without a sponsor. They call it a sponsor, but it's a referral. So for you to be able to register on this site, you need to click on my Instagram bio and click on the link that I placed on the Instagram bio for you to register on this site. Without that, you can't just go. You can Google it, but you can't register without a referral. So I urge you all to invest in this cryptocurrency. It's a company, this cloud mining company. It is very reliable. It is just a way of making passive income. You can imagine with a minimum of $53, I am able to make $5.75 in 2 weeks. Just imagine if I deposited something like $500. I believe I should be making more than this. So just for a test, I had to try it out with $53, and I saw it that there's a result. So for you to know that everything is possible, you can see that when we sell the token into Litecoin or whatever, you can transfer it to your Litecoin crypto wallet account, and from there you can convert the Litecoin into fiat currency, into your cash, into your dollar, into your euro, into your pounds, whatever you have. So that is it for this video. I just want to give an update of this mining pool, that it is a reliable mining pool and a reliable mining company, cloud mining company that has been paying high. It's a high paying mining company. So I urge you all to register with this site. So if for those of you who are looking for the link, please visit my Instagram page, Game07. In my bio, you will see the link there, so you can click on the link, or you can refer to my post where I placed a QR code for this particular website. You can scan the code, automatically you will be directed to this registration page where you can fill in your informations and make a deposit to invest in this company. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please place a thumb up, share, and place a comment. If you have any other questions for assistance, please send me. I will be glad to help. So that is it for this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day.